Hi love, welcome to Roy Deluxe. Today I'm taking you through how to carve clean brows and updated brows. No cheating, I'm not gonna hide anything from you. So taking you from ordinary and hairless brows to this. Tell me you love it. No, tell me you love it. Oh my god. So now let's get familiar with the tools we'll be using and their uses, because it's very important to know the right tools you are going to be using for each look you want to create. So number one is brow spooling. It is used to brush brows into places so they look clean and tidy, and also define the natural shape. You know, when you have hair, whether you have hair or not, you still need brow spooling, because sometimes you actually think you don't have hair, but by the time you brush these things up, then you can find some tiny hair around, and if you don't clean them up, they can actually ruin your makeup. Depends on the kind of look you want to achieve, depends on who you are. There are people that don't carve brows at all. We also have solution for that. Makeup artist, no small. Okay. Number two is angled brush. Like, when you see brushes, you need to know their uses. This particular one is basically for concealer. It is used for outlining and filling in brows. Three is this brush, like this fluffy brush. I'll be using this to blend in excess concealer and eyeshadow primer. Whatever I use in her eye before her eyeshadow, like the concealer I use, the excesses are meant to be buff out. So this is the brush I'm going to use. Number four is concealer. It's the concealer itself, which you are going to be using to clean out the edges. So I'm sure you already know that. And five is razor. And some people actually use surgical blade. I wish I can, because it's so handy, it's so simple, and it's so funky when you hold it. But I don't know how to use surgical blade, so I usually use razor. So razor is used to, carve and clean the brows, and it's best when you use a very sharp, original and new razor, in order to avoid bumps, in order to avoid cuts. If your razor is not sharp, you'll be struggling to pull out some hair. That way you can injure somebody. But if it's sharp, it doesn't take you time to just clean up the brows. So it's always advisable to use new razor and a sharper razor. So work with me in silence and let's carve these brows together. Carving brows is not that hard. All you need to do is follow these simple techniques, right? And you'll get the perfect brows. Before we move on, kindly subscribe. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, kindly show me some love. It's absolutely free. Help me, okay?
Time, you move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. Gentle hands, golden eyes. I am a man made of borrowed time. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push away. I swear I love you, but I am afraid. Pull me in, I'll push away. Afraid I will let you down one day. Golden flames, silver vows, you hold me still, I don't know how. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push away. I swear I love you, but I am afraid, afraid I will let you down one day. As you pull me in, I'll push away. Close your eyes, I'll slip away. I know I can't change, I'm built this way.
I've always admired those who just do it and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side? All the good times turn into memories and the revelry goes on. Let's have a good time
the time. You move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. Gentle hands, gold-lit eyes. I am a man made of borrowed time. You're holier than I am, holier than I am.
Now our brows are popping, looking crisp, clean, and more enhanced than the natural one. So you can drop your question in the comment section. I'll be right there. I mean, what am I here for if not to answer your question? So guys, if your hands are not too busy, I know this video is useful, so if your hands are not too busy, kindly like, subscribe, and then share to your friends. I mean, you guys have been supportive. I have so much subscribers now. See you guys in my next video. Bye.